after this kind of, when you get this far on your track, overall polishing, this is kind of where it gets tedious. A lot of hours spent just listening to it over and over and over, listening to it in your car, adjusting, listening to it in other speakers, adjusting. Let's take a listen to it from the very beginning and let's see if we need to do any polishing. Another tail like I did just earlier with using the washout rack. Let's do it to just one of these layers right here and automate it in like that. Oh, I just realized that this is automated to be off, so we can do that. Ooh, see, that's exactly the effect I was going for. Just to kind of like give a nice big old tail to see like, oh, that was epic, and then it kind of goes into the breakdown again. And it helps the kind of notes blend in real nicely too. It doesn't have like this abrupt attack on the piano. All right, that's coming along nicely. Let's try another round at the chorus just to see how it flows with it. I just realized that I didn't change the automation right here. So this whole time this layer was washed out. We got to kill that. So let's try it again. And actually I want to do the same automation here, so that when the outro drums start to kick in, this has that same tail.